Hey, in this video, I will show you the Sicilian defense opening. One of the chess openings that most players use according to some statistics, and I just wanted to show you how you can do it very simply from a newbie player just like you. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe because we just hit 13,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool, and comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. So the Sicilian defense is basically like this. You start with e4. If the opponent starts with e4 and you are black, you want to go ahead and do c5. The benefit from making this move is, yes, white currently has central space, but as opposed to you using the king's pawn, when you use the bishop pawn, then this can continue with an exchange of pawns where you have the center control. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I'm just testing out a few chess videos. If you appreciate them, I'll make more of them. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.